We got 3 new Fanatics boxes coming in today, so we're going to open those up. Let's see what hits on today. Maybe get us a Cooper flag, or a VJ, or a Ace. I need an auto. This would be my, open these 3 up. It'd be my 13th box of these Fanatics. So let's see what's hitting on today. I gotta have, so this is box number 11 here. Let's see what this is here. Alright, let's open some packs here. Ooh, got caliber on the outside. So, ooh, I got a Dylan Harper, Clutch City. There we go. There's a good hit. And we got a Stephen Curry, Topps border. There's a rookie and a rookie. So we got a Dylan Harper here. First card open. Clutch City. It's a good pack. Ooh, my baby's on the back. Cooper. Let's see what we got here. Keaton Murray. Oh, we got us a Sobe Tompkins. We got us a silver Isaiah Hardstein. We got us a glossy Towns power play. We got us a Topps border. Quentin Grimes, that's a hell of a card there. And we got Lively, and then here's our rookie card. My boy Flag. Love that. Like them are going about $20 right now. Just a regular. Oh, this is the first one. They're all turned upside down here. I open all kinds of packs. Usually pretty easy going, so something must be going on this one here. Let me see what's going on here. We got 8-bit baller, Scoot. We got us a silver border, Moses, McQueen, Milford, and Peavy. Queen is living it up. There we go. Next pack. So I was hitting a gold card, numbered card, about every 3 boxes. Got about 4 or 5 of them now. So let's see what we got here. We got Quickly. Oh, this is a hologram one. And we got Generation Now. Brandon Ingram, Topps border. Mike Beasley. Bridges. Brunson. Bam. Oh, we got a big hit. We got a Bam numbered card. But we got a Power Players Cooper flag. Ooh, 2 Cooper flags. Topps border. Melnick. And that. 2 Coopers. And a Dylan. That's pretty good. And a numbered card. All right. Mike Monk. Tracy McGrady, 8-bit baller. Lorenzo Ball, Topps border. And we got a Wembanyama. Ooh, and a Clayton Jr. All right. Looks like Wembanyama's out for the season. He can't stay healthy to save his life. He looks like the Tin Man there. He's always breaking down. Let's see here. Trey Johnson. Oh, he's a rookie. This is a good hit. That's been a hell of a box here. Will Riley, Generation Now. Jalen Green, Topps Border. Two more packs left. Usually the bottom one is the best one, or the top one, or both. So let's see what we got coming here. Ooh, we got a glossy here, rookie. Shiny. Thomas Sober. All right. 8-bit baller. Who's this here? Jalen Johnson. Rookie. The Kevin Garnett. All right. This has been a hell of a box here. Now if we could just get an auto, this would be something else here. So what we got here? Got a color there. James, Kobe, Evan Carter, Kobe Berea, rookie. Power player, Scotty Barnes. Oh, we got us a Topps Border, Pacers. And that's all she wrote. That's a hell of a one. We got a Cooper Flag. We got us Dylan Harper. Look at that boy right there. We got us a numbered one and Dylan Harper. Got us a shiny rookie. Sober. That's a pretty good box. On to box number 2.